RedXGaming here, and today I will be doing a tutorial video on After Effects, and I will be showing you the basics of After Effects, and I'll show you how to edit a pretty simple video. Shouldn't be very hard. So here we have After Effects, right? It opens up and it'll give you this command prompt, and you decide to choose, you choose one of your older projects. You can do new projects, or these go to your CC files, your sync settings, which show what you're synced to. So I don't have any CC files, and these are my recents. So I'm gonna do a new project. I've got a new project now, and this is the layout. Now After Effects has a very unique layout because you can see they don't even have a play bar, but all this stuff will be answered in due time. So first thing you want to notice is this. This is your asset library, and it's very important. So if I throw that in there, I throw that meme in there, and it'll go into my asset library. Right now we'll throw a simple video in there. We'll throw this video of Jake into my asset library, and I'll bring it out of my asset library and over here, and now I've got the video. So to play the video, you just press spacebar. It's very weird with After Effects. I'm not sure why you have to press spacebar. I think it would be much better if it was just a play button, but whatever, I guess. Adobe is a strange company. But yeah, so that's that. So first, two things. I was gonna go over these, but we'll start with this up here. These are pretty much basic things. Got a rotation tool, which basically rotates the frame. We've got a unified camera tool, which unifies the camera and adds 2 frames to it. Pan behind it, I guess it pans into another frame. I didn't really look into that one. But these are the really simple ones. Rectangle tool, it just adds a shape into your frame. Pen tool, you can, kind of draw or write on your pen. Text tool, that puts text, or type tool, I guess they call it here. It puts text or, things along those lines over your frame. So, I could type hello, and if I shrink it there, it'll show up, and it also comes up here, so for how long you want it, but we're going to get rid of that. We'll delete it in frame. There we go. You just press delete to delete it. We've got the brush tool, so you can, draw over. I'm not going to though. And yeah, we got the clone stamp tool, so just clones things. Got the eraser tool, really easy to just erase what you've drawn. The roto brush is just basically this one, except you can do it over the background. And the puppet pen tool, you just pin things on here. So yeah, those are basically the simple tools, but we've got a bit more down here. Got a trash can tool, so you can just delete in your assets. You can delete the things in your assets. So let's say, we'll select this. I don't want that meme anymore. Boom, it's gone. You can make folders in here. So hello, or no, meme folder. Got my meme folder. You could also make intro footage, but I can't do anything with that right now because I don't have a certain file type in my asset library. We've got the primary viewer, which this is just to see external audio and video. And this is the masking tool. So if I could select it, that'd be nice. And you could mask things with it, which is really cool. And masking is very important when you want to make like green screen projects. But right now I'm just moving the frame. You could also do that. It's a pretty important thing too. What else have we got? Okay, region of interest. You just choose a region of interest, and it'll do that. It's nothing crazy, but that's that. And yeah, those are basically the main things. We'll get into some other basics right now. And we're back. So now I'm going to show you what this means over here. So this shows you all your tools and what they do. And also, You can preview your video without pressing spacebar. Spacebar is just a shortcut. The play button is over here. I was just saying that there should be one here, like every other editing software, but whatever. It's After Effects. It's okay. These are effects you can put on your video, and there's presets too. I'm not really going to use any of these. This is audio. You can adjust audio, how loud it is, how fast it is, and how slow it is. This is just the info of your video. There's an align tool where you can align things. So let's say I go on an image, I put an image on it, I click on it, I could align it to the left, or to the middle, to the right. And there's a tracker which tracks camera, brushes, and there's paint. So you could change the color, I guess. And this is the size of your brush. Finally, to cut something, you just do Shift Control D, and you just cut your frame. Yeah, and I could cut my frame as many times as I want, so I could get rid of that, delete that, and it will only play a portion of it. So then I'll be black,